Hello everyone, welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of, yes, still Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. And this Sudoku, 2 out of 8, the second Sudoku is a 2-star Sudoku, and this one will be number 1680. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, printed digits. I think there are 26, one less than the previous Sudoku. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. So correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? We see here a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 place for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with 2. I need to wait for more digits. How about the number? These 3 missing numbers in this row. Those 3 missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 189. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box, so 1 digit left for the 1 should be here. The other 2 numbers, 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I need more numbers, otherwise I cannot fill this yet. How about 8, 3, 8, 6, 4. Let me see. How about the number? Four in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a pair in this column. Look, we have a 6 and a 1 in this column. Here also 1 and a 6 in the column next. So in that column, here cannot be a 6 or a 1 because we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 7. Then 3, 5, 9, 3, 9, 9, yeah. Alright. Let me think. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then a 9 in this row, a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 7, the 6, and the 4. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 in this box. There are 7, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 6 and the 4 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this third column, 2 in the first column. So in this column between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then, how about the number? 3, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then let me see. Three, 6. Alright. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. That means in this big square, 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes, so the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in one of these two boxes in the last row, 5 in that row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there, the only place for the 5 should be there. One number left in this column. This box should be for the number 8. 8 is missing. Yes, 8 is missing. How about these two boxes in this column? The 6 is no, we have a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. No, 1 we have 6 and 4. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah. All right. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. We see here 6 or there 6, so no 6 in this box. Here also 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. This is also 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. This big square, 3, 8 and the 9. 3 and the 9 in this row, 3 and the 9. Alright. Which number can I pick? 4. Yeah. 6. 5. How about the 7? Yes, 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 and no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. Well, we have here 6 and 1, but those 2 numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then, how about the number, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row. Excuse me. Sneezing. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there a 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this is gonna be 4. Oh, wow, I made a mistake here. I made a mistake here. Wow. Double 6. This cannot be a 6. This cannot be a 6 here. We have a 6 there. So, what are those 2 numbers then? The 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. We have there an 8. This should be the 8. Yeah, this should be the 8. And this should be the 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 888. Of course, 888. 888. 888. Alright. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. Oh! Wow! Wow. I've made a mistake here. Double 6. 6 and a 4. We have a 4. This should be the 6. This should be the 6. And this should be the 4. Alright. Stupid. 6. Alright. So this 6 is correct, and this should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1. Yes, 3. 9, correct. 6, correct. 4, 5, 8, 2, 6, 1, 9, 3, 7. No double numbers. 6, 7, 3, 8, 5, 9, 1, 2, 4, 9, 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, 5. No double numbers. So this is correct and solved within 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Almost made a mistake here in those boxes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 3 Stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.